If you're grinding away trying to snag leads online and it feels like you're running uphill in quicksand, stick around for just a sec. I've just launched a new course called the Lead System Blueprint. Now, before I give you a little taster of what's on the inside, I wanted to play this WhatsApp message I got from Mike, who was blown away with the course. Here's what Mike had to say.
Hi, Jeremy. Well, I've just been through all your modules, one after the other, and I must say it's amazing. I mean, what you've done here is fantastic. Even a donkey could do it. But yeah, I've just watched them all, and so now later on today I'll start, implementing it and building up a system. But yeah, amazing. And this chat, GPT, amazing, isn't it? Absolutely amazing. So I'm looking forward to getting this going. And yeah, and yeah, okay. Well, we'll catch you later. And well done, fantastic.
This course will build you a system that generates you leads on a daily basis so that you can use them leads for any business whatsoever. So let me just give you a little example of what you're going to get inside this lead system. Now, when it comes to generating leads, you need what's called a lead magnet. Your lead magnet is like a post that you put on social media where you give away something for free. Now, for the person looking at your ad, if they're interested in getting your free gift, they're going to click a link and they're going to go to what's called a landing page. There, they're going to put their email address in and they're going to be added to your list. The money's in the list. I'm sure you may have heard that many, many times before. And I'm going to show you how to set up a lead magnet, how to set up a landing page, and how you will build your list on a daily basis on autopilot 24/7. We're going to use AI to assist you in setting up everything, and I'm going to show you exactly what to do. I'm going to take you step by step in this course. Now, if you're interested in getting access to the course, I've got a special bonus for you today. If you click the link below this video, it's going to take you over to this page. And then when you click on this, gets you to access and goes to the shopping cart. If you see here, it says gift card or discount code. Apply this code. You'll find the code below the video. You could see it there on the screen as well. Click apply that, and that's going to give you 25% discount. So instead of you paying the £25, you're going to get £6.25 off. That means you're going to get this course for $18.75, and that's full access for life. It's not a monthly payment, it's just a one-time payment for you to get access to this course. If you're really serious about building an AI lead machine, then click the link below this video and I'll see you on the inside.